Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this Coachmen Apex Ultralight 212 RB. If you've never seen an Apex, they do a lot of very unique things in the way they build it. Starting up front, the power tongue jack comes standard. This is a full fiberglass front cap. It's automotive paint, so it's going to look this good always. If it doesn't, buff it out. Easy to keep looking like that. Another thing, it wraps around the edge of the trailer very nice, so all of your wind shear, all of your wind forces, and the water that's coming onto it as you're driving down the road, it's all going to wrap around the trailer to help minimize any possibilities of leaking. You got nice pass-through storage with nice magnetic latches up here. If you notice, you don't have the little fold-out plastic flap that always breaks. A nice magnet. Also, the slam latch latches makes it very nice. You've of course got the full-length power awning. You do have LED light strips underneath. You've got lights here underneath the speakers as well. The cool thing about these is these are all blue lights, so they look really cool at night. Plus it doesn't dilate your eyes as bad. So if you're out here in the dark at night, when you walk around the other side of the trailer or out of the light, you can still see. On the back, it's like every other trailer. You got a spare tire, a nice back wall. You've got some connections over here on this side. You've got an outside shower here, which is nice, kind of tucked back in here, so you're not showing the neighbors what you're working with if you're washing the kids off, if you're hosing the dog off, whatever you're doing. It does also have a black tank flush right here. Keeps your black tank clean, and of course all of your other connections and your sewer out hose. Yeah, we've covered the outside. Let's go in and take a look in the inside. Inside, the first thing I think everybody notices is how massive this dinette is. The cool thing about this dinette is that you can use it as a full wraparound booth dinette as it is now, or you can take the tabletop off, spin it around 180 degrees, and it'll suck back in tight, and so you gain a little bit of extra room out here. Back, moving through the rest of the trailer, the back of it, it's a rear bath, so you've got a nice bathroom back here in the back. Plenty of extra storage on the side, roll up towels, roll up some jeans, whatever you got over there. Got a nice wardrobe over here, plenty of room to keep all of your stuff. Those are deep, those go all the way back as well. You've of course got the medicine cabinet and the nice sink inside the bathroom. In the kitchen area, this is a 212, a 21-foot model trailer, so it's not a very big trailer, but you still have a full-size fridge and freezer, full 3-burner stove with the oven, and of course you got a microwave. This particular trailer has the stainless steel package, so it looks very nice. You've got a nice double sink with a pretty sturdy sink cover, which is nice. Lots of storage above the sink, above the countertops. You've also, underneath the dinettes, have doors that can open into the storage underneath the dinette booths. Up forward, you've got the bed. You of course have storage underneath the bed, plenty of space to store your stuff, and some nice hanging wardrobes on either side. Of course, you've got nice upper cabinetry that goes all the way across, very deep, plenty of room to stack and fold up some clothes in there. Another cool thing is in this little cubby up there, there's 2 USB ports. Those are 12 volt directly off the battery. So even if you're not plugged into shore power, you still have 12 volt power, so you can charge your phone, charge your tablets, whatever else you've got. There's a lot of other really neat features of this trailer I'd love to show you. If you're interested in the floor plan, give me a call. Again, my name is Casey Sanguins. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Love to show you this trailer or anything else we have in inventory.